In this video, I'm going to share on order of operations. But before we get started, imagine you're going to the Sentosa outing and you have two classes, 10 students in each class, and two teachers in each class. Therefore, how many people are in total? So the equation will look something like this, where you have your total equal to 2 times 10 students plus 2 times 2 teachers. So there is two possible answers. Is it answer A, where in total you get 44 people, or B, you have 24 people? If your answer is B, you are right. So the thing is that this is order of operations in real life. So I'm just going to go through again on how this looks like. So let's get started on two classes. So you have class A and class B. And in each class, there's 10 students. So we're going to add 10 students in class B and class A. And lastly, we have two teachers in each class. So I'm going to add it in class A and class B. So maybe you can pause this video and actually count how many total of squares and circles are there or people in the whole of this outing. And if you were to count how many people in total, the answer is 24. So this is how order in operations look like. So we have a total and it's equal to 2 times 10 students plus 2 times 2 teachers. So if you look closely, you actually see that you will multiply the students and the teachers together. And once you have done that, they can add those up and this will get you 24 people. So this is an easy win. So in order of operations, generally, first you multiply or divide, and then lastly, you add or subtract. Now, what if we were to add in a couple of things? We probably add one, two, three, and four buses, but buses are not people. So the question is, we're going to have all of these total people inside each bus. So if we were to split equally, how many people are there in each bus? So this is an additional to what you already learned. So, like I say, there's usually two possible answers. So you have the same equation, but now you have brackets or parentheses, and then you divided them with four buses. So how many people are inside each bus? Is it answer A, where it is 21 people in each bus? Or answer B, where there is 6 people in each bus? Let's see if you get the correct answer. And the answer is answer B, which is 6 people. So there is another thing that you have to remember in the order of operations, which is first you need your brackets or parentheses, and then after that you do your multiply or divide, and lastly add or subtract. So we're going to go through again on this simple equation. So the order of operation, first we're going to have everything inside the brackets and parentheses to be simplified. So this means that inside it, we will multiply or divide. So if there's a bracket, then we'll go to the next step, but we only do everything inside the brackets first. So inside the brackets, there's two multiplication, 2 times 10 and 2 times 2. So this is what we're going to do, like we have learned early on. And this will make 20 plus 4. So once we have done the multiplication or division inside the brackets or parentheses, the next one will be we're going to add or subtract. So 20 plus 4, this will be in total 24. And we are done with the brackets or parentheses. Now with that, we are able to move on to the next one, which is to multiply or divide. So now we are just left with 24 divided by 4. And the answer is 6. And there you go. You have 6 people in each bus. Easy win right there. And lastly, let's try another one. So let's try a simple one. You can pause this video, take out your paper and pen, and write down what do you think the answer is. Then unpause this video to see if you got it correct. All right, so let's get started. So as per usual, first we have to simplify inside the brackets, And at the same time, inside the brackets, if we have anything that is multiply or divide, then we will do it. But inside the brackets, there's nothing much. So we'll move on to the second one, which is to add or subtract. So this is a simple subtraction, which is 10 minus 1, and this will equal to 9. And since our bracket has been simplified, then we can move on to the second step. So we're just going to simplify it to 18, and lastly we'll just minus off with the 3 as well. And there you go. The answer is 15. And that's an easy win. So now you know how to do the order of operations. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more of this kind of videos, subscribe down below and comment down what other topics you want me to go through next. With that said, see you in the next one. Bye bye.